community of Ballard is one of Seattle's most desirable neighborhoods, and this charming Ballard cottage embodies all of the aspects to launch your adventure within this area. My name is Remington Stokes with Team Diva at Coldwell Banker Bain, and I'd like to take you on a tour of this charming Ballard cottage. From the moment you walk into this lovely home, you will notice that true cottage charm. From the large wood-framed windows to the beautiful softwood floors, the space will invite you to relax and enjoy everyday living. The layout and design of the home allows for simple living with no wasted space and easy flow. The entry and living room transitions into the kitchen, which flows out onto the deck and backyard. Opening any doors and windows in this home allows for breezes to flow, keeping everyone cool, and the smell of blossoming flowers in the air. The bedrooms and bathroom are nestled on the west side of the home, creating privacy while keeping the space cohesive. Whether you need your own space or wish to stay connected, you can do so here. The basement boasts extra space for storage or numerous hobbies or a studio for a multitude of uses. One of my favorite aspects of the home is the spacious kitchen and the ease of access to the backyard through the French doors. This creates the perfect entertaining oasis for indoor-outdoor living. Enjoy the kitchen's built-in seating, just add your own table and a few extra chairs. The French doors take you out to the deck overlooking the backyard, perfect for patio furniture and a grill to give you a sense of seamless transition. The backyard serves as both an entertainment space with fire pit, but also a mini homestead with planter boxes and established edible and flowering plants. Our sellers enjoyed home beekeeping from the gorgeous backyard, including all the sweet rewards of doing so. Also enjoy great views and sunsets over the Olympic Mountains. The neighborhood is nestled between Fremont, Ballard, and Phinney Ridge, making it easy to access each without dealing with the congestion of being in the center of those neighborhoods. The neighborhood is very walkable, and there's great access to 6 grocery stores, soon to be 7, including PCC, Ballard Market, Trader Joe's, and Fred Meyer. 16 breweries within a mile will keep your pints and growlers full. Some of our favorite are Fremont Brewing, Hales, and 4B's, plus plenty of restaurants including Schmaltzy's Delicatessen, Giddy Up, and Freelard Pizza, not to mention delicious food trucks nearby. Ballard is truly a gem of a neighborhood within Seattle, and this charming Ballard cottage is a great launching pad to enjoy all that the Pacific Northwest has to offer. Come take a tour for yourself. Thank you for taking the time to join me at this charming Ballard cottage. If you'd like to see this home in person, I'd love to show it to you. Thank you for watching, and if you'd like to keep up with all of Team Diva's listings and other fun antics, make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Instagram.